Hi guys, another lock picking video for you. This time I've got the ABUS 65 closed shackle 50mm. I was going to do a out of the package opening for you, but I made such a pig's ear of this. It's like I used a hatchet to open it with, but anyway. I was able to pick this padlock myself out of a few simply because of the bitting was quite challenging. To show you bitting on it for you. It's a 5-pinner. It's full of security pins, I believe, spools. Got a counter rotation on it for you. Let's give it a go. Let's just zoom in. Going to be using the Peterson gem. So notice that pin 1 is binding straight away. It's going to be a full set. So it's going down the stack. Pin 3, counter rotation there. So try and set him. There we go. We'll turn on the core there. Pin 4. And we're open. Cheers guys.